Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where speed, design, and future performance collide. If you love supercars that push the limits of what should even be street legal, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the all-new next-generation 2026 Ferrari F80, officially unveiled and already shaking the supercar world with insane performance, bold design, and cutting-edge technology. The new Ferrari F80 is Ferrari's vision of the future, blending extreme motorsport DNA with modern hybrid innovation. Visually, this car looks like it escaped straight from a Le Mans prototype. The design is sharp, aggressive, and unapologetically bold. The front end features ultra-slim LED headlights, massive air intakes, and an aerodynamic nose designed to slice through the air at unbelievable speeds. New exterior colors include Rosso Futuro, Nero Vision, Giallo Modena Evolution, and a stunning metallic silver inspired by classic Ferrari race cars. Every line serves a purpose, and every angle screams performance. Under the skin, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is an absolute monster. Power comes from a twin-turbo V6 hybrid system inspired by Ferrari's endurance racing program, paired with advanced electric motors. Combined output is rumored to exceed 1,200 horsepower, making this one of the fastest Ferraris ever built. The acceleration is brutal, with 0 to 100 km per hour happening in under 2 seconds. Top speed pushes beyond 350 km per hour, and yes, it honestly feels illegally fast for the road. The power delivery is smooth, instant, and relentless, thanks to intelligent torque vectoring and next-generation all-wheel drive. Step inside, and the F80's interior is a perfect blend of luxury and race-focused minimalism. The cockpit is driver-centric, featuring a fully digital curved display, carbon fiber trim, Alcantara surfaces, and premium leather throughout. The steering wheel is packed with F1-inspired controls, putting everything at your fingertips. Advanced facilities include adaptive drive modes, track telemetry, carbon ceramic brakes, active aerodynamics, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, navigation, and performance data tracking. Safety and technology are also next level, with advanced driver assistance systems, stability management tuned for extreme driving, and a lightweight carbon monocoque chassis for maximum rigidity and protection. Despite its hardcore nature, the ride remains surprisingly refined in comfort mode, making it usable even beyond the track. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Ferrari F80 is expected to start around $3.5 to $4 million, depending on customization and market. Production will be extremely limited, making it a future collector's dream and a symbol of Ferrari's engineering dominance. The new Ferrari F80 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves Ferrari still rules the world of midsize hyper-performance, blending beauty, brutality, and innovation into one unforgettable machine. This is the future of Ferrari, and it is absolutely insane. Stay tuned to Ride Reviews for more exclusive supercar content.